Hi, I'm here with the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. This is the deep purple, and the big thing about this is this dynamic island. Let me show it to you guys. This is the dynamic island up here. Don't call it a notch. It's a dynamic island now. Now, we have a timer going. So what you see in the dynamic island will pertain to what you're doing on the phone. Right now there's a timer going, so we can X that timer out. But let's see. So say we're playing music. Now we go back to the dynamic island. We can see that there's music playing. Say we want to start another timer. Now we see the timer in the dynamic island. If we want to go back to our music, just press the dynamic island, pause it there. Now we can put it into always on display mode, a new mode for the iPhone. When we lock the screen, you'll see what's happening in the dynamic island on the always on display lock screen. Very cool. The other main thing about the iPhone 14 Pro is the 48 megapixel camera. Now, to take advantage of it, you use the camera app and you enable RAW right here. All right, once you enable RAW, you can take a photo in the 48 megapixel. When we go back to the Photos app, so this one right here was shot in that 48 megapixels, so we can zoom in really, really closely. And you're just seeing all the details of the sweatshirt here, all the details of his hair. What's really great about this is that you can print this out and blow it up like a poster, and it will be nice and clear.